Hey, Instructor Kezia here, just to tell you that guess what? We have a grading coming up. How exciting! Woohoo! Cheering, cheering. Okay, so we have our first online grading that we're going to be doing, and so I just wanted to tell you how it's going to work, what's going to happen, and hopefully answer all of your questions. First of all, just like normal, Instructor Mark and I will be the judges. So, and you will also have a grading host who will be there showing you and helping you to do the techniques for your curriculum. So it'll be very similar to our normal gradings, just online via our interactive Zoom meetings. So what will happen is there will actually be a Zoom link for each different belt. So what you'll need to do is actually register for your for the grading, and you'll do that online. You can do it from our website, so that's www.focusmartialarts.com.au/gradings. The link will be in this Facebook post. It'll also be on the members app as well. So all of those ways you can find the link to be able to register. Now, how to know if you're ready for grading is if you're little ninjas, you need to have 8 tips. So all 8 tips to be eligible to go for your next belt. And if you are a martial arts student, you need to have the 4. So you need strikes, kicks, patterns, or traditional, and self-defense. So you need all 4 tips to be able to do your grading. If you have all of those, then you can register for it online. Now, what are you going to be tested on? Here's one of the big questions everyone's had. This is the first one that we're doing online. So whilst we'd like to think it's all going to be 100% perfect, we're going to adapt for each student, probably where need be, to be able to help them to get their next belt. Some things they can do by themselves and do it on via Zoom meeting. Other ones, if they need a partner, then obviously that's probably not going to be possible. So we will adjust and just do the things that they can do. They'll only be tested on the things that they know. And we will have Mia will be the grading host, so she'll go through and we will check. So you don't need to be stressed about it it's gonna be, and we're gonna know everything. If you've got those tips, you'll know all the stuff that you have to do for grading. Okay, so don't worry about that, and we'll adjust for each person because we were already changing the curriculum a bit, and so some people already were having to do that to just adjust through new curriculum, but obviously we've had to change it again since we've been online. So don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll sort it. We'll make sure it's all good. So you know how to check in. So let me just go through how the grading will work. So what we're going to do is you'll register for the grading. You'll then get an email sent out to you with all of the details about how the grading will work, the link that you need. You also get it 15 minutes before the grading too, just like with our classes. So you've got that link nice and easy. Now, I highly recommend invite your friends and family to watch you. Just send them the link that we've sent you in the email, and then they'll be able to jump on and watch as well. So that'll be really cool. So great for grandparents too if they don't get to see it, so that'll be good. You register, you get your email, you've got all the information there. And then, so the different belts are at different times. So like orange belts are at one time. Green belts are at another time. So there's different time slots for each. So you don't have to be there for the whole thing. And for us, we think it might be a little bit too much to go who's doing what, but we can just do each belt so we can manage that. And we can then as well have friends and family come and watch it too. We can still know which students are actually grading for which belt. So that's how it'll work. So as you go through the checkout online and process all of that and register for the grading, it'll then allocate you to that specific time slot. We've got all the times there. what you want to make sure of for the grading is, one, you have to fill in your black belt attitude forms. Okay, so there's even more of an element, I guess, for how much of a black belt attitude you've had at home. I guess the black belt attitude in class is, are you attending classes? Are you participating in them well, high energy, things like that. But how you're having a black belt attitude at home, maybe parents need to be a little bit easier on that one if it's been a little bit tricky with this new schooling. But, if they've had a good black belt attitude, then they deserve to go for their grading. But because you're getting in now, print out your black belt attitude forms. They've got the whole week to fill them in. You must, and I say you must, email those to us, or I'm happy for a photo, text to us on the Thursday before the grading. Okay, it's the same as a normal grading. No forms, no grading. So we will be able to spotlight each student in the Zoom meeting, so we can check the technique on those as well. And as well, so your friends and family can see you, because that's who comes up big on the screen. So that will be really good. So make sure that you have enough lighting. Okay, so it is later in the afternoon. You should be right, but just make sure you've got lighting and you've got enough space. You don't need a ton of space, but you need enough space to do your patterns, your MMA pattern, and if you're a higher belt or an adult, your table patterns as well. So make sure you've got some space there. Now for sparring, okay, so dads, this is where the dads come in. Dads, we need you ready to be able to spar your child, okay? So they're going to be able to kick and punch you, so you better make sure maybe you do some classes and learn how to block. Just kidding. No, this time we'll have it where the grading host will do the technique and we've got to have them react. So yeah, no, dads, but I hope I got you. Alrighty, so coming to the end. If you have any questions, just let us know. The fastest way to us to get answers to you is on the member app with the messaging through there, or a text. They're the fastest ways at the moment. Otherwise, you can call or email us as well. So admin@focusmartialarts.com.au. But yeah, the other ways. Now look, this isn't the perfect way of doing it. We may not have the exact perfect system, but we do have a black belt attitude. We are going to push through. We're going to make this happen and find a solution, and it's going to be great. Now, there is one little extra secret bit that I'm not telling you on this video. You're going to have to read the email that we send to you once you've registered, and that's about belts and certificates. So if you check that email, you'll know how that part will work. Alrighty, but we're pretty excited about it. There's a number of students who are going to grade. It's not the normal amount, and that's fine, but we will push through, and then we're going to help the other students be able to grade next time. So, but hopefully we'll be back in classes soon, and we'll see you all. But otherwise, we see you online, and we love it. Love, love, love it. Love the challenges you guys are doing, and we're having awesome fun with you. So get on, register for your grading. Any questions, give us a ring, text us, message us through the app. See ya. Enjoy the grading. Bye.